Alright, welcome guys. This is Science Up, and today we will be charging physics and this question in particular. Alright, the question goes this way. A car starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at 2 meters per second square for 5 seconds. Find its final velocity. So this is a question under motion. So let's see the way and manner we are going to solve this question. So I'll start with my solution. Alright, so let me write out the parameters I have. A car starts from rest. Whenever you hear from rest, it means that the initial velocity is 0. So I will say u is equals to 0. That is from rest. And accelerates uniformly at 2 meters per second square. That is its acceleration. So I'll give its acceleration 2 meters per second square from the question. Also, for 5 seconds, that's the time. So the time here is 5 seconds. Let me abbreviate the seconds. Find its final velocity. Now, this question is falling under the equations of motion. Of course, we have numerous equations of motion. We have up to 5 in number. So the one that is pertinent to this question is this one I'm going to write out. So look at V is equals to U plus AT. Let's see why this equation is the one I'm going to use. Now look at it. We have U as the initial velocity. We have A as the acceleration. We also have T. So the question says find its final velocity, which is v. So this equation of motion, one of the equations of motion which I have presented now, is the one we are going to use to answer this question. So sit tight as we answer this question and pick our option. Alright, let's move. So v is equals to u plus at. Alright, u from the question is 0. So I just substitute here to be 0. Plus a is 2. Now when you see at simply means A times T. So don't be troubled. So this simply means T, A which is 2, times 5 which is T. So this is times 5. So we proceed. This gives us 0 plus 2 times 5, of course, is 10. So I get here to be 10. So if I had 0 with 10, it's going to be 10. So this is 10. Of course, since velocity, the SI units of velocity is meters per second. So I'll put meters per second. Now, this unit can be written in 2 ways. Either I write it this way or I write it this way. 10 meters per second. Alright, can we choose the answer? Let's look at it. Of course, C is the answer. Alright, this was wonderful period solving this particular question. See you in our next clip.